Just Grandma and Me by Mercer Mayer. We went to the beach, just Grandma and me. I wanted to set up the beach umbrella, but the wind was too strong. I flew my kite instead. I bought hot dogs for Grandma and me, but they fell in the sand, so I washed them off. I found a nice seashell for Grandma, but it was full of a crab.
Hey, watch it.
I wanted to blow up my seahorse, but I didn't have enough air. So Grandma helped a little. I told Grandma to take me way out in the deep water, but not too far. I put on my fins and my mask and showed Grandma how I can snorkel. I dug a hole in the sand for Grandma. Then I covered her up and tickled her toes. I built a sandcastle just for Grandma, but a big wave came. Grandma said that's what happens to sandcastles, and we will build a new one next time. On the way home, Grandma was tired, so I told her I would watch for our stop. We had a good time at the beach, just Grandma and me.